Hey there. Let's talk about smart contracts. What is a contract normally? They're basically agreements between two or more parties about something. Imagine you want to make a deal with someone like borrowing money from your friend to buy a new phone. You both agree on the terms like how much money you'll borrow, when you'll pay it back, and what will happen if you don't pay it back on time. Well, you might write these terms down on a piece of paper and then you both sign it, and that's a traditional contract. Well, smart contracts are a little bit different. They're like contracts, but they're smart because they're written in a computer program that can automatically execute the terms of the contract without needing a middleman or a human to make sure everything is done right. Smart contracts are really cool because they can be used in any industry and they remove any confusion about what everyone is supposed to do. Things like crowdfunding, where people donate money for a project, or digital identity management to prove who you are online, voting systems, to make sure votes are counted accurately, and healthcare data sharing to keep patient information secure. These are just a few examples. Overall, smart contracts are a type of self-executing contract that can make agreements between people easier and more reliable. Smart contracts have lots of good things going for them. One of the best things is they make things more secure. They also help things happen faster and cheaper. Since they don't need people like lawyers or notaries to help them out, they cost less money to use. And because they run on computers, they can be done super fast once they get started, so you don't have to wait around for a long time to get things done. Smart contracts come in different types, each designed to serve different purposes. Some of these types include token creation smart contracts, decentralized exchange smart contracts, crypto fund contracts, asset management contracts, and financial smart contracts. Token creation smart contracts are used to create digital tokens on a blockchain network like Ethereum. People can use these tokens for various purposes, such as raising funds for their project or creating their own digital currency. Decentralized exchange smart contracts allow people to trade cryptocurrencies directly with one another without relying on a middleman like traditional exchanges do. These smart contracts ensure that trades are executed automatically and without the need for intermediaries. Crypto fund contracts are designed to manage funds or investments in cryptocurrency. These smart contracts can be used to automate investment processes, reduce fees, and increase transparency. Asset management contracts are used to manage digital assets such as cryptocurrency and other digital tokens through a single interface. They help people keep track of their assets and can be used to automate asset management processes. Financial smart contracts are used for financial transactions such as lending and borrowing. These smart contracts can be used to automate the process and reduce the need again for intermediaries. Each type of smart contract has its own unique features and benefits. Now, there are some drawbacks and disadvantages. Smart contracts can be difficult to create and maintain because they are based on computer code and require technical knowledge. They might not be recognized or enforced by the law in all places, which can be a problem if there is a dispute. Once a smart contract is set up, it can be hard to change or modify it. And that's by design. Smart contracts are built on blockchain platforms like Ethereum, but sometimes smart contracts need to work with other systems, which can be challenging for organizations that are not familiar with blockchain technology. When it comes to regulations, there are no clear global rules for smart contracts yet, and different countries may have different ways of regulating them. To sum it up, smart contracts are like computer programs that automatically execute the terms of contract without the need for intermediaries like lawyers or notaries. They can make things faster, cheaper, and more secure. But they can also be difficult to create, change, and maintain, and they may not be recognized or enforced in all places. So, smart contracts are a powerful tool, but they come with some challenges that need to be carefully considered before using them. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned to learn more about Web 3.0.